If you've ever wanted to quote a video on X, formerly Twitter, and add your own thoughts at the same time, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to quote an X.com video step by step so you can share it with your own comment, reaction, or context in just a few seconds. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser, then find the video post you want to quote. Under the video, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the repost icon. This is the icon with the two arrows forming a square, and it's located directly below the post. Once you find it, click on the repost icon. A drop-down menu will appear with different sharing options. From that menu, select Quote. This is the option that lets you repost the video while adding your own text instead of just sharing it by itself. After you select Quote, X will open a compose box for you. In the text box, type your comment, your thoughts, or your reaction to the video. You can keep it short and simple, or you can add a more detailed opinion, explanation, or context depending on what you want your audience to see. Take a moment to make sure your message sounds clear and matches the video you're sharing. Once your comment is ready, look for the post button. Click post, and your quote post will go live with the video attached. That's it. You've now successfully quoted an X.com video and shared it with your own message. It's a really useful feature when you want to respond to a video, add commentary, or start a conversation around a post without having to make a separate upload. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.